How to fix Cash app won't let me screenshot. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. In order to solve it, first and foremost tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps and tap on it. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash app. Firstly, force stop your application. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After which, your application must be up and running and it should allow you to take a screenshot. If it still does not solve, check for the system update. Ensure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest feature of your applications. However, if it still does not work, what you actually must do is, if you have installed any of the application recently, try by uninstalling those applications. That is one of the reasons why the screenshot has been prohibited. Or to check for the permissions of your Cash app, you can press and hold onto your Cash app, head to App Info, tap on Permissions. Over here, make sure that you have allowed the camera option. If the issue still does not solve, the last resort would be to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.